What's up everyone, buckle up, because today's creature is going to blow your mind. Imagine a creature so incredible that when it gets old, injured, or stressed, it simply restarts its life. This is the immortal jellyfish, and it might hold the key to reversing aging. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii. It's smaller than your fingernail, nearly invisible, and lives quietly in oceans around the world. But do not let its size fool you. This tiny jellyfish can do something no other animal on Earth can do. When most creatures age, their cells slowly break down. But the immortal jellyfish has a cheat code. Whenever it's threatened by starvation, injury, or even old age, it performs a biological magic trick called transdifferentiation. Its adult body transforms back into a baby polyp. It literally reverses its life cycle. Old cells become young cells. It's like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar and doing it again and again and again. This ability makes scientists wonder if this jellyfish can reset its cells. Could humans one day do the same? Because studying it could help us understand how to repair damaged cells, why aging happens, how to slow or even reverse age-related diseases. Now here's the crazy part. This jellyfish doesn't live forever because nothing can kill it. It can still be eaten, injured, destroyed, but biologically, it has found a way to never truly age. It's not immortality for humans, yet, but this tiny, transparent creature is giving scientists clues we've never had before. Clues that could change medicine, clues that could change aging, clues that could change the future of human life. If humans could reset aging, would we want to? Would immortality be a gift or a curse? Nature is full of secrets, and this tiny jellyfish might be hiding one of the biggest. If you want more mind-blowing science stories, follow FLF Genius Lab and dive deeper with me.